Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the Surface is ready. Check Windows updates and confirm Bluetooth drivers are present. Next, power on your headphones and activate pairing mode. This lets the Surface discover them. Now, open Quick Settings from the taskbar or go to Settings Bluetooth and Devices to begin. You do this first because discovery windows are short. Initiating pairing promptly avoids timeouts. Once done, keep the headphones nearby and visible so the Surface can find the device quickly. You click Add Device, then choose Bluetooth. This tells Windows to scan. When your headphone model appears, select it. Windows may show a PIN or prompt which you accept. This authenticates the connection. After pairing, check sound settings and set the headphones as the default playback device if audio doesn't route automatically. You do this so apps use the correct output. If the Surface asks to allow contact sharing or permissions, grant only what's necessary and avoid extra permissions that aren't required for audio. You finish by testing audio and mic and sound settings. Play a short clip and speak to confirm input. If audio is missing, toggle Bluetooth off and on from Quick Settings or restart the Surface to clear transient faults. This often restores connections. If the headphones still fail, remove the device and repair to reset the bond, and update Bluetooth drivers via Device Manager to fix compatibility. One key troubleshooting tip. Run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter when signals or pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.